So welcome back to photographing the Pembrokeshire Coast part 2. We're still in the Castle Martin firing range. It's a Monday and it's open, which is unusual. It's closed for the rest of the week. It's open at weekends, but I've not been able to get down here. So I thought I'd take you to two places today to photograph some stacks. Flimston Bay is the first one we'll be looking at, and then we'll go over to Bullslaughter Bay if this weather holds. It's a real windy one today. Love these conditions. Might be a bit difficult with the tripod, but we'll see if we can get a bit of a shelter spot when we take our photos. Bit of light's coming through now. So we're about bang on high tide, and we'll go and have a look at what we can get. Well, the sun's coming up. I've not set up any compositions yet, but it's on its way up. But I just thought I'd take you and have a look at a couple of these blowholes because it's high tide. We might see a bit of action. So we'll just have a little look. Yeah, if we just look at this one, it's just where the caves have collapsed at some point. Here we go. I think these are possibly my favourite conditions. Stormy skies, rough seas. Really does bring a lot of atmosphere to your photos with having to put too much effort in, really. As landscape photographers, we always want a bit of drama, don't we? Well, come and have a look down here with me, and we'll see the water crashing against the stacks. So keep the tripod quite low as it is very windy, and see if we can get some shots. The light's coming up really nice now. I have taken this shot before, but I didn't get much separation between the stacks, so it looked a little bit complicated. So I'm just trying to get a bit of separation between them, which I'll show on this camera now. So you just see there, I'm trying to just get a bit of separation between the rocks there, because if not, it just looks a bit muddled. I've done this shot before, and it was slightly, one stack was slightly in front of the other one. So I'm trying to just get a bit of separation there, and I'm going to put probably a 6-stop on, a neutral density filter, and see what that gives us. So what I'm trying to do is trying to get a leading line up to those stacks. So if you just spin you around there, just trying to use the edge of the beach where the water's coming in, because it's a nice curve on that, and it draws us straight into the stacks, which is our main focal point. So just talk you through this shot now. I've got the 6-stop on. The histogram's looking really good like that. It's not clipping anywhere. I'm focusing straight away on that first stack. I'm going to go up to F11, I think. Probably just increase that shutter speed a little bit. It's 13 seconds, and obviously I've got a 2-second delay on it as well, so we'll see how we get on. As the water's going in, try and take your shot just as it's going in, because you want the shutter to switch just as it's starting to draw back out, because that's when you get the detail in. So you see it going in now, you probably want to press it about now, a couple of seconds on the shutter, and then let it draw back out, and that's what's giving that nice detail there. Well, yeah, I'm pleased with that first one. Don't know if you can see that on the bottom of the screen. I'll take a few shots now. I find it really hard to concentrate trying to film and taking shots, so I'll take some shots and I'll put them up, and leave in the comments which ones you like, and I might take a couple of different compositions as well. I'm not sure. It's so windy that just trying to hold the tripod and keep everything steady. Also, if you could do me a favour, please like and subscribe. It really helps me. I'm trying to build it up, so I'd really appreciate that. So thanks. Hope you enjoy these next set of pictures anyway. I thought I was going to take you to the next bay, but I found another composition which I've not really looked at before. It's probably because the tide's in. It looks quite good actually. So I'm just going to set up here, try and get another couple of shots. I'll just show you the composition on video now. So that's the composition. So it's quite nice with the headland coming all the way round to here. I've still got some separation with the stacks, and then the water's still high enough to get a bit of detail around them as well. Nice little cave down on this side actually here. I'll show you that in a minute when we walk around. Did just spot a seal. He's hidden himself again now, but I'll keep looking. If I can get some footage I will do. Right then, let's get back on with the shot, and hope you like these. Again, please tell me if you like them or not. Well, I've been here since 7:20 this morning. I've not seen anybody yet, so really nice just to be out here on my own. The last time I came here was with my son taking photos, so this has got good memories, this has. Well, we just had a little downpour then. That's the joys of being on the coast. Weather can turn pretty quickly. But what it has done, it's made for some interesting skies, as you can see. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully I don't get blown off the edge here. I might just come in a little bit. It's pretty strong out here at the moment. And I still haven't found any seals yet. Not to video anyway, I've seen some, but the time I've got my camera set up, I've been too slow. So hopefully I'll get a bit of footage or a photo of a seal today, but I think my chances might be running out. So we're overlooking, I'll just spin you around, overlooking Bullslaughter Bay, just one stack there, surrounded by limestone cliffs, which is lovely. I quite like this position. I've not taken a photo from this position, not that I can remember anyway. It can't have been that good if I don't remember it. But I quite like the way this draws you in here and kind of just circles round the stack there. And obviously you've got the headland, so it might be good at that kind of crop, or zoomed in a bit, or try to get the whole lot. I'll try and set up and get something. It is very windy here and the weather's turned quite a lot from when I started, so you can probably tell by my microphone it's giving me a bit of a hammering, but we'll see how we get on. And I'll put a shot up that I have taken from down on the beach before, looking back at that stack, and similar conditions to this actually. It wasn't as blowy, but it was a grey sky. But have a look at what you think with that. So I'm doing f16, which is, unlike me, most of my pictures are between f8 and 11, so I'm pushing it on this one for me. But it gives us a shutter speed of 2.5 seconds. We are clipping a little bit, and I'm focusing a third into the frame with a 2-second delay on it. So here we go. Well, what a cracking day. Windy, but it's bringing loads of atmosphere to the images. Struggled to get one of this bay because it is, I just can't get enough shelter with my tripod. It is good though, even though you've been to a place many times before, it's good just to keep having a look at what compositions you can get. So that's what I'm going to do with my time now. Just have a little look at different things that I can come back and mess about with. Never get bored of being on the coast. It's different every time you come. There's always something new to see. But I still haven't found any seals on this trip. Oh, there we are. Just said it. And I found one. thought I'd just come and have a little look. There's one looking straight at me. Can I get my lens and camera set up quick enough? So you've probably got a funny looking shot of the sky there, but there's a little chap just down here which I'll try and get on my other camera so I can zoom in. Is he hiding again? Where's he got? Oh, there he is. Well, we've had a bit of everything today. We've had rain, we've had the wind, we've had sunshine. We're back to rain now, but it's been a cracking morning. I hope you enjoyed the pictures. If you do like the video, please press like and subscribe if possible as well, because that'll really help me out. So please join me next time when I'll be photographing the Pembrokeshire Coast Part 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.